Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm your eligibility and start profiles now. First, check if you qualify for express entry, a work permit, or provincial streams that determines timing and costs. Once done, build a Canadian-style resume and LinkedIn tailored to local employers. Make sure to include measurable results. Simultaneously book language tests and order credential assessments so documents align with job requirements. These parallel steps shorten your timeline and open targeted application routes. You now focus on targeted outreach and volume with quality. Start by mapping employers and provinces where your occupation is in demand, then prioritize 20 companies. Once done, customize each resume and cover letter to match keywords and responsibilities. This increases ATS pass rates. Make outreach part of your routine. Apply on portals, message recruiters, and request informational interviews. Track applications and follow up every 2 weeks to convert interest into interviews. You close by converting interviews into offers and resolving authorization. Practice STAR responses and Canadian workplace norms so you answer clearly and confidently. Know local salary ranges and benefits to negotiate realistically. Once you receive an offer, make sure the employer supports your work permit or PR process and confirms start dates and paperwork. If you hit roadblocks, pivot, upskill, pursue bridging programs, or retarget different employers. A key troubleshooting tip: if approvals
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.